How to cut and trim video in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and import your video by dragging it into the media pool. Then, drop it onto the timeline in the Edit tab. Next, move the playhead to the point where you want to make a cut. Use the blade tool by clicking on the razor icon or pressing B on your keyboard. Then, click on the timeline at the exact point where you want to split the clip. Once you have made your cuts, switch back to the selection tool by pressing A. Click on the unwanted section of the video and simply hit delete on your keyboard to remove it. To trim a clip, hover over the beginning or end of the clip until you see a bracket icon. Then, click and drag to shorten or extend the clip. This allows you to fine-tune the duration without cutting. If you need more precision, zoom into the timeline using the slider or scroll your mouse wheel while holding the Alt key so you can trim or cut frame by frame for better accuracy. Don't forget to play the video after editing to make sure everything flows smoothly before exporting. And that's it. Now you know how to cut and trim video in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.